Hi, my name is Zach Hawkins, and this is my presentation on blockchain in Japan. What is blockchain? Blockchain is basically a system for storing data in a secure and shared way. Instead of one company controlling the data, it's spread across multiple computers, which makes it harder to hack or change. Each piece of data is stored in a block, and those blocks are linked together using cryptography. One big benefit is that transactions can be verified without needing a central authority like a bank. In the US, blockchain is mostly focused on startups and cryptocurrency innovation. Japan, on the other hand, focuses more on regulation, security, and using blockchain in established businesses. Who's using blockchain? A lot of different groups use blockchain. Financial institutions use it for secure digital transactions. Supply chain companies use it to track products and reduce fraud. Healthcare organizations use it to protect patient data. And governments use it for identity and record management. Tech companies also use it to build decentralized apps. Overall, blockchain improves transparency and reduces fraud, but it also raises concerns about regulation and potential security risk. Okay, blockchain career opportunities. Blockchain is also creating new career opportunities, especially in cybersecurity and development, which connects to my major. Some common roles include blockchain developers and security analysts. For example, a blockchain developer builds and maintains blockchain applications. They need skills in programming, cryptography, and networking. The average salary ranges from about $90,000 to $150,000. A typical career path would start as a developer and move up to senior developer and then blockchain architect. Where is blockchain used? In Japan, blockchain is mainly used in finance, supply chain, and healthcare. In finance, it's used for digital payments, crypto, and faster cross border transactions. In supply chains, it helps track goods and verify authenticity, which reduces fraud. In healthcare, it protects patient records and allows secure data sharing. There are some challenges like regulatory uncertainty, scalability issues, and high cost. But there are also opportunities like increased transparency, better data security, and faster transactions. Why are they using blockchain? Looking at the company Sony, blockchain helps strengthen their position in the tech industry. One of their biggest strengths is their ability to innovate and adapt to new digital technologies. Since Sony already works with gaming, entertainment, and digital services, blockchain can help them improve security and manage digital assets more efficiently. However, there are some weaknesses. Implementing blockchain systems can be expensive and complicated, especially when trying to integrate them with existing systems. There are also strong opportunities. Blockchain can help Sony expand in areas like digital media, gaming, and secure data platforms, especially when it comes to protecting digital content and improving online transactions. At the same time, there are some threats. Cybersecurity risks are always a concern, and Sony also faces strong competition from other global tech companies. When is blockchain used? Blockchain started gaining attention in the early 2010s with cryptocurrency. Since then, it has expanded into industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chains. It's expected to grow more in the future, but it hasn't reached full adoption yet. Some barriers include regulations, scalability issues, high energy use, and a lack of skilled workers. How to apply blockchain for SDGs in Japan. Blockchain helps Japan work towards several of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. It improves access to financial systems, which supports economic growth. It also makes supply chains more transparent, reducing fraud and waste. In healthcare, it allows secure sharing of patient data, which improves efficiency and safety. And it also supports innovation by improving digital infrastructure. Overall, Japan uses blockchain to improve security, transparency, and efficiency while contributing to global sustainability goals. Okay, last I just have a little two truths and a lie. The first is that Japan requires all blockchain transactions to be controlled by the government. Second, Japan is one of the first countries to regulate cryptocurrency exchanges. And last, Japanese companies use blockchain to secure digital identities and prevent fraud. Just take a few seconds and think about which one you think is the lie. If you said number one, you're correct. And this is just my works cited. Thank you.